Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you another jailbreak site to jailbreak your PS4. Let's get started. First, go to settings and make sure you're connected to the internet. Now open your internet browser and visit the specified page. You'll see lots of options there, but you need to select this particular one. Next, wait for the loading to complete. Once it's done, you'll be prompted to plug in the USB. After plugging in the USB, click OK. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the Goldenhen option. Just click on it and your PS4 will be jailbroken. Now let's run a game. And as you can see, it's running successfully. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks.